Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. Eat healthy food. Play some indoor games. I hope whatever homework I have given in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving you. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. Today I am going to teach you maths. Okay. Now new chapter 10, multiplication, and division of common fraction. See, we have seen first common fraction, we have seen addition and subtraction of common fraction. This is new chapter 10. So now we will see multiplication and division of common fraction. So come to example 1. Question is multiply 3 by 4. Multiply 3 by 4 by 5. So come to solution. 3 by 4. By means what? Multiply. So give multiply sign. Many students get confused that this 5 is in numerator or denominator. See, upper one we say denominator and down one we say denominator. Numerator and down one we say denominator. Okay. Many students get confused that 5 is upper or numerator or denominator. So whenever you find single number, always take it as a numerator. So this 5 is in numerator. Down 5 is nothing. Then give 1 as a denominator. Okay. When you will divide 1 to 5, what you will get? 5 only. So whenever you find single number, you can give downside 1. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now come. Now you have to cross it. So this is how you can go. You can cut like this. 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 Okay. Means cross. You can cut. You can cut numerator to denominator. Numerator to denominator. Okay. You can cut like this also. But you can never cut numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Okay. This will be wrong. We only multiply in this case. Numerator to numerator apart and denominator to denominator we multiply only. Never use this method to cut. Okay, for cutting. Always do use this method for crossing the number. See, you can cross. No, just multiply because if you are not able to cross it, then multiply and write the answer. 3 into 5, 15 numerator and 4 into 1 what? 4. Okay. Now see, I have already told in earlier classes that when numerator is smaller than, when numerator is greater than the denominator, when numerator is greater than the denominator, then we can change into mixed fraction. So how we can change into mixed fraction? See, divide 15 by 4. See, 4 3 12, 4 into 3 12, and see. So this is what? Divisor. So divisor we write here in denominator. Now this quotient we write here and this remainder we write here. Okay, here it is quotient, it is divisor, and this is remainder. Okay. Now we move to example number 2. So example number 2. Multiply 2 whole 1 by 4, 2 whole 1 by 4 by 7. So 2 whole 1 by 4 by this multiply 7, but change it into proper and improper fraction. See, 4 into 2 8, 4, just do like that. 4 into 2 plus 1 by 4 into 7 by 1 we can write. See, 4 into 2 8 plus 1 by 4 into 7 by 1, 8 plus 1 9 by 4 into 7 by 1. Okay. Multiply this to this and add it, and whatever denomination is there we can write. Now we cannot cross it because always cross in the same table, not in different one. So 9 into 7 63 by 4. Again here what? Numerator is greater than the denominator, so we can change it into mixed fraction. So 4 times 1 2 3 fraction. Okay. So with the help of these two examples, you can easily solve exercise 43. Now we will go for example number 3. Now see, from example number 3, in example number 1 and example number 2, what you have seen, there is only single number is there. Okay, when we are multiplying, there is only numerator is given. But from example number 2, numerator will be also 3. From example number 3, numerator will be also there and denominator will be also there. Page number 108, example 3. Example 3. Simplify 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. Come to solution. Very easy. 2 by 3 into 5 by 7. First check it. Can you cross it? No. You can always cross in the same table. You can go this way, you can go this way, you can go this way, you can go this way. But you cannot go this way, and this way, this way. Okay? So it will not cut. So just multiply 2 into 5, 10, and 3 into 7, 21. You see here numerator is smaller, so you cannot change it into mixed fraction. Come to example number 4. Multiply 5 by 6 by 3 by 8. Come to solution. 5 by 6 into 3 by 8. See here you can cross out 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6. This way. But you cannot cross 2 times 1, 2 times 4 8. No, it is both in denominator. So you cannot cross. Now multiply 5 into 1 5 and 2 into 8 16. So answer is 5 by 16. Come to example number 5. Simplify 3 whole 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. Come to solution. 3 whole 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. Change into proper fraction. 3 into 3 9. Okay. 3 into 3 9 plus 2 11 by 3 into 5 by 4. So also here you cannot cross. Multiply 11 into 5 55 and 3 into 4 12. Here numerator is greater. Change into mixed fraction. 12 into 4 48 and 7 55. Come to example number 6. Simplify 4 whole 1 by 4 into 2 whole 2 by 4. Come to solution. 4 whole 1 by 4 into 2 whole 2 by 4. Change into proper and improper fraction. 4 into 4 16 plus 1 17 by 4. 5 into 2 10 plus 2 12 by 5. So you can cut. 4 times 1 4, 4 times 3 12. Now 17 into 3 51. 1 into 5 5. Change into mixed fraction. So 10 whole 1 by 5. So with the help of this example, you can easily solve. Exercise 44. Understood? It's very easy. Nothing you have to do. If you can cross it, but always I have given you this way, this way, this way, and this way. Do not this way and this way. Numerator to numerator, denominator only we used to multiply. And I have already taught you how to change mixed fraction into proper and improper fraction. So you can easily solve exercise 43 and exercise example sums of 4 exercise 44. In next class I will go for example sum for exercise 45, that is problems on multiplication of fractional numbers. So for now, go back to all of you.